Have you ever noticed a harsh reality? If you don't know how to code, there are many things you don't even qualify to start. But today, I want to prove one thing. Even as a complete beginner, in just 10 minutes, you really can build a minigame. Does that sound hard to believe? Casual games, adventure games, strategy games, simulation games, puzzle games, board and card games. Even without programming, you can create them, and even share them with friends to play together. In an era where AI is empowering every industry, it can already help us complete all kinds of projects. You can build games, create blogs, set up e-commerce websites, build automation scripts, and all kinds of functional tools. And recently, I discovered an AI coding tool called MeDo. I don't need programming knowledge, I don't need to spend a lot of time, and I don't need to invest a large amount of money. I just need to enter a prompt, and MeDo can generate the application I want based on my requirements. Hi everyone, I'm Ethan. In this video, I'll walk you through how MeDo works, how to generate a game that runs smoothly, how to publish the application after it's built, what MeDo is actually capable of. In the end, you'll also be able to use your own ideas and creativity to experience the personalized development process MeDo provides. The entire process requires no professional knowledge. If you watch this video until the end, I'll also show you how to try MeDo for free and how to get free credits. Alright friends, let's first take a look at what this platform actually is. MeDo is an AI-powered full-stack application builder. You simply organize your idea into a prompt and give it to MeDo, and within a few minutes, an application is generated. It's built on top-tier AI technology and delivers a lovable level user experience, making it suitable for individual creators, startup teams, and e-commerce teams. What satisfies me the most is this. The entire process is extremely simple, with no complicated steps and no complex interface. After the application is generated, whether you want to optimize the UI, add new features, or fix bugs, you only need to communicate with MeDo in the chat interface, and MeDo handles the rest. Alright friends, now we're entering the most exciting part, actually building a game. We open the MeDo website. The homepage is clean and intuitive, with a chat box in the center and previously built applications displayed below. We first click the login button to register. After registration, you'll receive 300 credits. Now I need to enter my initial idea into the chat box. For example, I want to make a match 3 game. I can start by giving it a name. Let's call it Ethan. Next, I can specify some fruit elements, like avocado, blueberry, grape, and watermelon, and also briefly describe the scoring rules. We enter some basic settings, and then click the submit button. At this point, MeDo's backend starts calling language models to organize and generate detailed prompts that follow the game rules. You can see that a complete prompt document has been generated. Now we click Generate App. MeDo begins coding in the background based on the prompt, and all we need to do is grab a coffee and wait a few minutes. Now the game has been generated, let's run it and test it. We discover a small bug after running it, and you can see a prompt appear below. This part of the MeDo experience is really good. We click Start Fix, and after the fix is complete, we test it again. The game now automatically includes sound effects, and the overall experience is very smooth. An Ethan customized minigame is complete. If you want to try it yourself first, you can click the link below and start creating your own personal game. Alright, now let's get back to the main topic. This is the fruit-themed version. Next, let's switch to a Christmas theme. We enter a new prompt in the chat and ask MeDo to upgrade and optimize the UI. Click send, wait a moment. Great, the optimization is done. Now the entire game has been transformed into a Christmas theme. Let's try it out again. It's hard to imagine that game development can be this simple. MeDo's performance is truly impressive. Next, we preview the application by clicking the button in the top right corner to see the final result. If you'd like, you can also publish it directly. And here's a quick note. Sharing applications can earn you extra credits. We click Add Custom Domain to add our own domain here. Looking at the sidebar, you'll find modules for code, plugins, backend services, and data analytics. The feature set is very complete. Clicking App, we can see the projects we've already created. In the plugins section, MeDo officially integrates many mature AI models that you can use directly. Finally, let's take a look at the types of applications MeDo has generated so far: education, websites, automation scripts, e-commerce, and games. Many users are already using MeDo to build a wide variety of applications. At this point in the video, we've fully experienced MeDo's core features. Next, let's briefly talk about pricing. By registering through the link, you can directly receive 300 credits. These 300 credits can be used to create multiple tasks. There are also sharing tasks in the dashboard that allow you to earn additional credits. This is the free plan. For the paid plan, $20 per month gets you 2,000 credits. On average, generating one application costs about 50 cents. Finally, let's do a quick summary. MeDo's capability in application generation is already very mature. From large model integration to application generation to automatic bug detection and optimization and one-click publishing, the entire workflow is extremely smooth. There is almost no barrier for ordinary users, and the overall experience is very user-friendly. If you're already using MeDo, what type of application do you most want to build? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.